Hey guys, it's me Ginger. Today's unboxing. As you can see, it's Star Trek in Blu-ray. I bought it in Blu-ray because my laptop reads Blu-ray disc, and it has a digital copy, so I can use it with iTunes and with my the iPods, the iPod Nano, the iPod Touch. So let's kick it in. So this is disc 3, the digital copy. Come on. This is disc 2, the special features, and this is the film itself. I have a book here. Some pictures and how to use your stuff. So this is my first Blu-ray disc, and this is called Star Trek. So thank you guys, hope you enjoyed it. I have another unboxing video too that I bought with this stuff, and you'll see it after this one. Peace guys.